Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, internet radio, AHA, trip computer, multifunction display, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.